So I got a package today from a brand that reached out to me not that long ago saying they wanted to work with me. And what we've got planned probably won't be happening till maybe a little bit later in the year, but they couldn't wait. They wanted to send me something as soon as possible so that we can announce my new sponsor, which is Phantom Race Wiring. They sent me this little goodie box. I don't know what's in it, so you guys are seeing this the same time as me. But first of all, I just want to say how cute it is that they sent me this box and like customized it with both of our logos. But yeah, let's get opening. Already, the showmanship. Very cute letter. What does it say? At Phantom Race Wiring, we view sponsorship as more than just support. It is a long-term partnership built on trust and shared goals. As you continue to chase new achievements on and off the track, we are committed to growing alongside you. From mil-spec wiring harnesses to custom CAD design and 3D printing, we look forward to being a part of your journey. P.S. We would love to get some content of you unboxing and trying out your new merch for the sponsorship announcement. Thank you, Phantom Race Wiring. All right, let's get to unboxing. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. It's so comfy. Just in time for winter too. And last but not least, they sent me my very own Mercurial mouse Phantom Race Wiring t-shirt. I will be working with Phantom Race Wiring later in the year. There are more details to come. So make sure you stay tuned because we'll be announcing all the details soon.